task 4, which is install Ansible collections. All right. So here we're going to install Ansible collections. Okay. I'm not going to install the latest and the greatest Ansible collections. The eagle-eyed of you are going to notice this. But these are the versions that are they're going to be kind of accurate with the exam. The versions matter nothing. The process is what matters. Okay. So in your case, they're going to provide you an URL. So you just need to build in your collections folder a requirements.yaml, and you put this there. Okay, it's pretty much that, and you can install like this. Okay, so Ansible Galaxy collection install minus R collection requirement YAML minus P collections, and it's going to install to the collections folder all the collections. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This takes 2 minutes to do. You just build a requirements.yaml file. I don't even know if I have built my one because I'm not using that. Do I? Get requirements? No. So just build the requirements.yaml and do this. I'm going to install it by hand. Well, I already did that. I'm not going to do that again, but I'm going to show you how I did it without using any type of repos. You can get this from galaxyexable.com. This is publicly available. So if you want to prepare, just get those from there. Use whatever version. If you want to make things coherent, use these versions to be coherent throughout the exam prep. But it's fine. It's not that important. We use collections later. I don't think we will. But if we do, we already have them. In your case, just build the requirements file. It's very simple to do, and you're off to the races. And just do the install. Here I'm going to install by hand. So I have them. I have both here. I have the community and the POSIX. So I'm not going to install them like I said to you guys because I have already them installed. But this is this is how you do it. Okay, you just do this for one. Okay, and do the other ones for the POSIX. Come on, why aren't you completing? That's fine. And you just do Ansible POSIX. Oh, it's Ansible POSIX. It's not POSIX. Okay, and it's installed, and you are good to go. I mean, it doesn't have any problems. To check Ansible Navigator collections, to check. This will take a moment for the first time. It's not the first time, but still takes a minute. And there we go. So I have there on our home DevOps, and there also. So they are installed, the community general and the POSIX. So they are A-okay, good to go. Task 4, it's done. Just review a little bit if you wish. Pause here. Like, subscribe, and comment if it helps. And I'll see you in the next one.